Blessed are you, fear the Lord, who walk in his ways. For you shall eat the fruit of your handiwork. Blessed shall you be in favor. May the Lord bless us all the days of our lives. Your work shall be like the fruitful vine in the recesses of your home. Your children like olive plants around your table. May the Lord bless us all the days of our lives. Behold, this is the man blessed who fears the Lord. The Lord bless you from Zion. May you see prosperity of Jerusalem all the days of your life. May the Lord bless us all the days of your life. May you see your children's peace be